knows how to do Cool Kid's voice.
Wait. Hang on.
Okay, so I don't know how to. Okay, first you wanna go to do this and find fruit delay 2. Now hang on. It sounds weird. Wait. Okay. So first of all, set the volume down a bit, and then set this to ping pong. Now. Wait. Oh, it's the time. There you go. Set it like low, like very low, to get the And you can also do this too.
It sounds better like that.
Okay. Wait. Yeah. Okay. Next, destructor. We're gonna be using destructor a lot.
Okay, turn all this off.
You'll only need 3 destructions, or wait, 3 distortions, and you don't have to change these ones that much. But for this one, set it to bit crush and bring this one all the way up because it'll do the thing. Hang on.
Here.
Whatever.
And this just turn the mix down a bit.
That's Cool Kid.
Wait. A little tip for Cool Kid? Hang on, let me...
A little tip for Cool Kid, do an annoying orange impression. So like, hey Apple, hey Apple, and then just
Tag, you're it.
Something like that.